Hello all, welcome to an Onam special recipe video from Foodie Zest. So today we are going to make a special payasam, that is Poha-Banana Payasam. Let's check out the ingredients. We need half cup poha or the flattened rice or the rice flakes. Then 1/4 cup of powdered jaggery, half cup water, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon of ghee, some cashew nuts, 2 cups of milk, then half of a banana, that is you need to have the Kerala banana, and a pinch of salt. As you can see, we need only very little ingredients for making this payasam, and it's also very easy to make. So now let's move on to the preparations. Let's start by cutting the banana into smaller pieces. You can cut them as I have shown here. Make sure you use the Kerala banana or the Avil-Pazham for this recipe, because the other varieties of banana won't taste that good. Next, let's fry the cashews. For that, let's heat up a pan and add some ghee. Once the ghee is hot, let's add the cashews. Let's put the flame on medium. Add the cashews and fry them until they are golden brown. Now our cashews are ready. Let's remove them into a plate. Now next, into the same pan, we are going to add the poha or the flattened rice. We need to fry them until they are crispy. Put the flame on low to medium and fry them until they are nice and crispy. You can add little more ghee while frying if you want. Keep stirring them occasionally. Now you can see they have become crisp, and it's time to take them out. I'll transfer them to a plate. Now let's add some more ghee to saute the banana. And once the ghee is hot, let's add the banana pieces and saute them until they change color. We need to fry them in ghee, only then it will taste good while getting the bites. So after 1 or 2 minutes of sauteing, let's add some sugar. You can add around 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is to caramelize the banana pieces. That is how we are going to add them into the payasam. The caramelized bananas taste better in payasam. You can adjust the flame between medium and high. Make sure you don't burn the bananas. We need to fry them until we get a nice caramelized brown color on the banana pieces. Here you can see how they have caramelized. This is how you need to get them. Now it's done. Let's transfer it into a plate. This is how it looks. So next step is to melt the jaggery. So let's remove the excess ghee that's left in the pan. And into the same pan, let's add the jaggery. This is the powdered jaggery. And now let's add some water to melt it. We need not thicken the mixture, we just need to melt the jaggery. It takes only about 1 or 2 minutes. Now it's melted. Let's switch off the flame and filter it into a cup. The next step is to boil the milk. So into a saucepan, I'll add the milk and allow it to boil. For this recipe, you need to take the full fat milk. If you are taking the skimmed milk, then you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk maid to enhance the taste. Keep stirring it occasionally. Now the milk has boiled well. It's time to add in the fried poha or the flattened rice. Add them into the boiled milk and give it a nice stir. You can put the flame on medium to low and cook the poha until they become soft. Now the flakes are well soaked, so it's time to add the melted jaggery. So here goes in the melted jaggery. And after adding the jaggery, just switch off the flame because you need not heat them. If you cook it for longer, after adding the jaggery, the milk might curdle. So switch off the flame as soon as you pour the melted jaggery and give it a nice mix. Now let's add our caramelized banana pieces. Let the pan be on the stove top itself. And now let's add the fried cashew nuts. Mix everything well. And finally, let's add a pinch of salt. This is to balance out the sweetness. Mix everything well. And now let's transfer this payasam into a bowl. So here is our yummy Onam special payasam. This is very simple and it doesn't take much time to make this recipe. The creamy texture of the payasam and the banana pieces fried in ghee gives it a very unique taste. So please try this recipe for Onam and make it extra special. Give me a thumbs up if you like it and please give your feedbacks in the comment section down below. And do not forget to press the bell icon for getting notifications each time I upload a video. Thanks for watching Foodie Zest. Let's meet again with a new recipe.